Hello. Hello, everyone. How's it going? Let me know in the comment section what are you feeling right now? How excited you are for Hack APAC. That's the first APAC focus FPH, I should be honest, that we are having right now. And good morning, everyone. Actually, I should be honest, I'm not used to saying good morning to everyone. I'm like not the morning person for sure. But okay, anyway, everyone, good morning. How's it going? Let me know what are you feeling right now. Let me know in the comment sections. Okay. So yeah, for the APAC folks, it's 10. For maybe in Hong Kong, it's 10 30, I guess, right? Oh no, it's 12:30 at Hong Kong. It's 2:30 at UK, and we are at 9:30 p.m. for Eastern time as well, as I say. Okay, nervous, excited. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so I'll start with the whole thing about Hack APAC then. So we are having our first APAC focused MLH first party hackathon here for Hack APAC. And for me, I'm Yash. I'm the hackathon community manager for APAC and EU for Major League Hacking. Will be the better person to introduce to this hackathon rather than the person who is managing the APAC for MLH, right? And I'm a musician. You might be able to see the guitar over here, right? So I'm a musician. I do something like that in my free time, and I'm working for MLH at this point as the Hackathon Community Manager for APAC. You can follow MLH at ML Hacks on Twitter and Instagram, and we are at Major League Hacking on Facebook as well. So specifically about this hackathon, make sure you use the hashtag HackAPAC for anything you tweet, anything you want to share about the event. Feel free to do that on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere. Just use the hashtag HackAPAC. Okay, so who are the people who will be there with you? So first of all, it's me, Yash. You can see on the different side, and it's JP from our coaches team. Like he's a coaches program manager over here, and he'll be there tonight for the Indian folks, and for the Eastern folks, it's he'll be there during the day, and he'll be covering for us at that point of time. At the initial point, I'll be there along with our three awesome new coaches, Kunal Mandya and Aditya, and we'll be all here to help you out throughout the whole thing, and will be there as the person you should reach to for anything. Okay. So it's time for hacking. We are starting hacking right now, and this week we are focusing on something building for the APAC friends. So anything you want to build, focus on this area. If you are from India, focus on that. Singapore, focus on that. Australia, focus on that. You have to build something for the APAC friendos, and that is the thing. Just focus on having fun. That is a major thing. It's not a competition. It's a hackathon. It's a community event. You should be take care of that, and be sure you do something you build for fun only. Okay. Join the league at discord.mlh.io. Everything is going on there. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask on different channels. What we have channels called Hack Ask MLH. We have specific channels for this hackathon as well, Hack APAC. You just need to go there, check in for yourself. There's a whole channel for checking you in. You need to click on the like icon to check you in as well, and you'll be checked into our Discord. Okay. And sign up for the event. Sign up for hackp.ac/hackpack, hackapack. So it's hackpack, what we say, hackp.ac. So that just so you know about there. So hackp.ac/hackapack, and you'll be signing up for the event. You need to register for the event first of all, so you're eligible for all the different things what we are offering today. If we are offering swag, you'll be getting there from that this particular link only, right? And you have to check in into the hackathon as well. If you check in, then only we'll know that you have attended this hackathon, right? So just go to the hackp.ac hackpack/hackapac check-in, and you will be signing up yourself to get receive swag from MLH, right? Isn't that great? Swag from MLH, you'll get this whole like box, like what should the envelope containing stickers, and you'll be getting a letter from for yourself, and you'll also might get one mask. I'll talk about that a bit later. No problem with that. Okay, so what is MLH in the first place, right? What is Major League Hacking? That is the major question. So we always say we are the global hacker community. This is where everyone in the world is here as a hacker, and not just you. It's like 135,000 other folks that are here. That is what we empower every year. 135,000 plus folks just like you. And I'll say kind of a APAC or an Indian definition for this. You can imagine MLH like the IPL, Indian Premier League of hackathons. So we have hackathons all over the world, scattered, and you win community points when you actually enter one of the hackathons, and that's how you grow. And definitely, if you attend this event, you'll be winning community points for your own school, member events, local hack day hosting, local host, anything you host, anything you attend, you are winning community points for your own school, right? And for the next 48 hours, we are jam packed with activities, whatever you want to know. Just it's all here in this opening ceremony, right? So we have a ton of workshops today. So every all the workshops will be hosted mostly today, and I'll be just telling you what are those. So we have the IBM workshops about the mainframe API by Stephen at 7:30 p.m. IST today. It's all the other timings are mentioned on our own, like the channel what I shared about the main event, and we'll be telling you all about it on Discord. You can note the other timings over here as well. So we are having the IBM workshop by Steven. We are having the Capital One introduction to Python today. Mara's workshop is at 9:30 p.m. IST. And then Capital One Intro to Python Part 2. That was a two-part workshop. It will be at 11:30, but taken by Will L. That's great. And we are having the part three. Okay, the mostly the two-part workshop is for the initial part, and the part three is for the advanced part. Okay, so 8 a.m. IST is what Elizabeth's workshop is. I guess it's tomorrow 8 a.m. So you need to note that for sure. Okay, so this is that. And what are the mini events we are hosting? That's interesting because everyone asks about the mini events. What are the games they are playing? What are the things they are doing between the hackathon? And first of all, we are having the Hacker Hangout. Hacker Hangout is a great place. Like you want to talk to us, all the MLH coaches and I will be there at the Hacker Hangout channel. These are the timings you can note: 5 a.m. IST, 11 a.m. IST, and 7 p.m. IST. We are having the three different Hacker Hangouts for different actually timings. So one will be focused on APAC, one will be focused on EU, one will be focused on the North American folks. So this is all focused on different regions, and whatever timing is suitable for you. If it's suitable, like the whole three, you can just go over, talk to us, talk to the other folks that are there, and make connections, get to make friends. That's the main thing about hackathons, right? And we are having the famous Among Us mini event. Everyone loves it. So on most of the requests from the APAC folks, we have got this. And tomorrow at 10 a.m. IST, we'll be playing Among Us with everyone. Make sure you register. We may have T-shirts for you as well. So until the stocks run out, we are having the T-shirts for anyone who attends mini events. And the most famous one, MS Paint Bob Ross, is here as well. So it's just you just need to register over here. You can easily get t-shirts. You just need, for Bob Ross, you need to paint alongside Bob Ross. We'll be here at 5 p.m. IST tomorrow, and we'll have a lot of fun. Okay. And as I was talking initially, you'll grab the 2021 season mascot mask. So this will be there until supplies last for anyone who attends these mini events. You can easily get that. You might get even t-shirts. It's just what the specific thing is applicable. You'll definitely know about that. Okay. So now talking about the tools. What are the tools available for this weekend? We are having free Google Cloud credits up to $100 for everyone. Every single person who attends this event will be getting the Google Cloud credits. Okay, I'm speaking that right now. Okay, so Google Cloud credits will be available for everyone. You just need to go to hackpack/learn cloud. Just go there and you'll be getting one. And you'll get a free domain.com domain name. It's .space, .tech, or .online. Hackpack/domain, right? Just go there. And the code for this weekend is code this snow. That's right, code this snow. You just need to go there and you'll get a free domain name. You'll get another free domain name. That's great. Like not one, you're getting free domain name. That's two. It's .tech, .study. That's the only thing you need to visit. Tech.study, and you'll just need to use weekend code hack APAC. As simple as that. That's the hackathon name, right? Okay. And then we are having the radar.io hack. So whatever you are building using the radar like API, they have an API of tracking different things. You'll be getting a smart tracker alongside that. So if you're using the location API from radar, that's hackpack/radar. You can easily get them. Okay. Next is Digikey. Digikey is the company that sponsors all the electronics for the different things. So if you're using any kind of hardware, like whatever you are using, like if you do not have hardware, feel free to use a simulator or anything. If you are using hardware, you'll get the hardware price as well, and that is a whole Digikey. Like what should I say? Like whole component set from Digikey that you'll get alongside a lot of different things from Digikey. So just know for that, order hardware from Digikey, hackpack/Digikey, right? And then the main thing, we are having the data stacks Astra. So you can get started with 10 GB for free. Hackpack/data stacks Astra. Okay. So these are all the different things. Now I'll talk about the different prices what we are having. So we are having the Google Cloud credit. So we're having the best use of Google Cloud, right? And I said, like, domain.com is available for everyone. So the best domain name from domain.com is only available for the NA and the EU folks. That price is available for them. For the APAC folks, best name from GoDaddy registry. These are the two different prices available. But note that all the domain names are available for each and every person, right? The most creative radar.io hack, the most creative actually location hack, should be honest. And using the radar API, will be getting the tiles sticker and a smart tracker, basically that. And best hardware hack will be getting a Groove beginner kit, as I said before, not just the Arduino kit. You'll be getting a Groove beginner kit. And the best use of data stacks Astra is getting us Blue snowball mic. So I have right now the mic. What should I say about that? This is a normal mic. You're getting a much better mic than this one. So you will get a blue snowball mic. And obviously, we always have the GitHub AutoCAD drawing. You, if you draw something, draw your own AutoCAD, draw something like if you know about AutoCAD, it's like the GitHub mascot. So it's called Mona, and it has all the different ways that they interpret it, all different things that they have. If you draw your own, and you'll select one at the end of the hackathon, that is the best one, and they'll get a GitHub figurine. That's one there. Actually, I won it too once, once upon a time. So that is there. If you just you can do this. So that is the GitHub figurine. Okay. So what is next that we are doing this weekend? That's a nice question. We are having the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Actually, to be honest, I love the GitHub Student Developer Pack. It has each and every tool that you need to actually build your hackathon hack. Just go at hackpack/GitHub. You'll easily get like you need to just make sure you register there and like get your student status verified, and you'll get the GitHub Student Developer Pack. It has everything you need. Okay. And obviously, as I said before, draw an AutoCAD, pin an AutoCAD. You draw an AutoCAD of your choice, tweet your entry at the red GitHub Education, hashtag my AutoCAD, hashtag APAC, hack APAC. Make sure you do that. Once you have done that, you'll be registering yourself for the contest, and we'll be like revealing the winner at the end of this whole hackathon, right? And the Hacker Starter Kit. Just go to hackpack/learn. You can get a lot of different ways to get started. If it's your first hackathon, let me know in the comment section if it's your first hackathon. I'll talk to the people who are having the first hackathon personally for sure. Just feel free to ping us over in Discord. We'll be talking for sure here. And we are having all the different starter kits. If you might know, like if you want to get started with Node.js, Python, Radar, data stacks, whatever you need, all the starter kits are available, right? And if you're looking for jobs or internship, we are having the MLS Career Lab. The different partners are there: Capital One, Qualtrics, and US Air Force. We are actually having the US Air Force Challenge at night as well. And here you can get awesome jobs and internship. Just go to hackpack/careers. So, anything else you need to know? Okay, so there's one other thing. So, best hack for your community. These were all the sponsored prizes what I talked about till now. These are the Hack APAC specific prizes. So, best hack for the community, best hack for your own community. That will win one of the different things what we have as well. So, you just need to go to hackapax.fpost.com. Best Jugaad. Obviously, this is one of the most famous prizes in the APAC region. We are having the best Jugaad hack. And actually, if you know, like I was the one who came up with this idea like 1 year ago or something, the best Jugaad hack. So, like, I should be a bit feeling proud of myself. Like, it's like a very famous thing over here. Anyway, the best Jugaad hack is there. Just make a Jugaad, make a funny, silly hack that, like, for your own community, for anything, just make a fun hack, and that is the best sugar. Okay, so these are all the prices. So first overall will get a Google Nest Hub. The second overall will get the wireless earbuds. The third overall will get a portable charger. And best hack for your community is a $200 charity. $200, like 14,000 rupees charity of your own choice. That is the first best hack. And the best jugaad is Arduino Quids, and obviously everyone gets MLS swag when they come over, right? So you'll getting MLS swag as well. And if you submit the hack, if you just submit an on dev post, if you demo it, if you record a video, you are eligible for F getting a iDemoed sticker. And the iDemoed sticker is actually customized for Hack APAC over here, right? You'll be getting an iDemoed sticker, and we want you to demo. Even if you have not completed the hack, make sure you actually submit it and you demo it. It will be really beneficial for you because you'll actually know the main spirit of the hackathon. Whatever you have built, if it's half, if it's not up to the mark, even just submit it. You might never know, you might win a hackathon just by submitting a normal thing if it's a great idea for sure, right? And include the video. The main major thing about the demo, it should be a maximum 2 minutes. The demo should be of 2 minutes, and it should not be built on slide. It should be the actual demo. What have you actually built over there, right? You can easily show the code even if you want, but make sure it's 2 minutes. You just go through the whole thing. And if it's an old project that needs update, make sure you just include what are the updates you have done. And if you are doing that, we'll know that you have specifically done within this particular time frame, and you are not actually have submitted an old project which might be considered under the cheating guidelines. So we might like to see you, if you are using the old project, just add the different things what you have done on this particular hackathon, right? Only share that in your video. We'll be checking the video and we'll be judging it for ourselves. We'll have a lot of different judges as well, so we'll do that. And we need a public code repo. If you are using GitHub, GitLab, anything like that, make sure you include a public code repo, that we are able to see what you have actually done, right? That is a major thing over here. So for the demo, just a 2-minute video, your description of everything on dev first, and your public code repo. That is a major thing. And if you're using an old project, make sure you specifically say what have you done on this particular weekend. Okay, and show off what you build at DevForce. As I said, hackapac.devforce.com. That is where everything will reside. And hacking starts. Actually, hacking has already started. Actually, hacking is starting right now, should I say. So hacking is starting at 10 a.m. IST. We need the projects and dev post, that is the 8 a.m. IST. That is the end time. And your actually hacking time will be till for 24 hours, like 10 a.m. IST. 48 hours, I should be correcting myself. 48 hours will be the whole hacking time. So 10 a.m. IST on Sunday is actually the time you can hack, but you need to submit your projects 2 hours early, because we need to do our other processes over there. So till 8 a.m. IST, you need to submit the whole project. You can work on the project, you can fix the bugs and everything for 2 hours more, and we'll start the judging at 10 a.m. IST. Okay. Now, coming on a serious note, that is one of the major things what we focus on here. uh, we want this to be a safe space for everyone, right? You should be following the code of conduct. If you have not known, just go to mlh.io/code of conduct. You can look into all the different things what we have about the code of conduct. The TLDR is be respectable, be really specific about what you say, and like be aware about other people as well. They are people as well, they have feelings. So just make sure you respect them, you talk to them in a nice way. That is a major thing about the code of conduct, to be honest, right? If there's any incident, just specifically go to incidents at mlh.io, just email us, and there's a whole link available in Discord. What are the different phone numbers available for different regions? There are 3 phone numbers available for different regions, and you can just call there, and someone from our team is staffing that all the time, right? If an incident comes over, the first thing you need to do is just talk to any of the MLH staff available. Our coaches are available, I am available, JP is available. Just go to them, they are already trained on handling incidents, and we'll be handling incidents throughout. If you have anything like major thing, you can just email at incidents@mlh.io, and you can directly call as well, right? Whatever you feel, it's all up to you. Okay. So this was one of the major things that I wanted to point out. And welcome everyone to Hack APAC. I'll be off to answering questions now, because I think I've done everything, right? Yeah, actually. So prices are here, item mode stickers is here. Sign up for the event, hackp.ac/hack APAC. Okay. And again, check in for the swag here. Okay. So I'll be heading off stream actually. Okay, so any question? So first of all, I get a question over here. Will there be any mid evaluation? So what we feel is there should be no mid evaluation in a hackathon. We are very specific about that. Whatever you do, we'll be having our mentors to help you throughout, but the evaluation will be at the end of the hackathon. Make sure about that. All the evaluation will be at the end of the hackathon. Okay. Okay, you want to host a physical hackathon, your college is opening. I'm so happy to see you there. And if you want to host a physical hackathon, make sure you're following the COVID guidelines and everything. That is one of the major things. And register if you want to get partnered with MLH, registered at the league, that is mlh.io/event membership. Actually, you need to go just go to that link, and you'll be knowing whatever the different things what you need to know about the MLH league. Feel free to ask me any other questions. I'm online for some time as well. Okay, there's one another question. how do we start off with the basic programming skills, right? So I had covered this a bit. So what you can do is you can easily go to hackp.ac hackpack/learn, right? If you go there, you will get a lot of different start kits. Okay, you'll start with Node.js, you can start with Python or anything like that. There will be a lot of different things. If you just know even the simple things about programming, like even HTML, CSS is what you know. That is what I knew in my first hackathon, to be honest. And you'll be good to go with all the different things what we have. You can see all the workshops that we are having. That workshops are from the scratch. If you do not know anything, they will be there to help you. We are having 3 Python workshops as well. You can easily utilize them and build something over here, right? Okay, and that's great. And we might have a first English hackathon in Bangladesh. Okay, perfect. I want someone to help me to host one. MLS League is always available to help you throughout. You just email at league@mls.io, right? And we'll happy to answer any questions over there. Okay. Okay, this is your first hackathon. Congratulations on having your first hackathon, Rajneesh. So, if you want to proceed with this hackathon, the first thing is you need to check in, right? The particular thing what I've shared on the screen, check in into the whole thing, check in into our Discord. Okay, once you check in into event, go to Discord. In the Discord, you'll need to follow the code of conduct. You need to just verify you have seen the code of conduct and you know all the rules for this hackathon, and then you can check in yourself into Discord. Everything is there, different channels are there in Discord. You will know everything as an announcement. You can talk to different folks about it, the main chat. Our coaches are there, our staff is there. You can talk to them about anything what you want. And go to dev force if you want to submit your whole thing. Had mentioned that with previously. You need to go there, and all the different things are mentioned in the whole portal as well. Okay, feel free to ask us any question at any point of time. Okay, is there any specific theme in this hackathon? Okay, so for the project theme, it's fun. It's a community event. It's a fun event. Make sure whatever you build is for fun. It's for your own community. So that is the major theme of this hackathon. Your own community feeling, your own feeling of the whole fun aspect of the community. That's why we are having the prizes as that as well. Okay. Okay, should a demo have a voiceover? Yeah, that would definitely, it would be better to have a voiceover so that you can actually tell us what are the things that you are doing, because it's easier for the judges, right? If you do not want to have a voiceover, it's totally fine. You'll be not having any negative ones for that, but it's easier for the judges, so definitely it would be better to have a voiceover, I'll say. Okay. Is there any address form for the swags? So inside of the whole portal that you are checking in, you will be checking in for like you will be writing your address as well over there, and there's a different address form as well. So if you have so one thing is you just need to go to ask MLH and just ask us anything over here. We are having the address form for swags. We'll be sharing that. But if you go to the portal, it is like asking you for the address. Just need to enter that address, and you'll be good to go. And that's how you will not need the address form there. If you are not being asked for the address, we'll know and we'll share the address form. Okay, don't worry about that. You'll be notified on everything on the Discord itself. Right? Just join Discord. You'll be knowing everything. So, any other questions? I'm here for 1.5 minutes more. If there's no other question, okay, we got a question. Perfect. Is team necessary, or you can participate as an individual? So you can definitely participate as an individual if you want, but I would definitely recommend you to have a team, because having a team actually helps you navigate throughout the whole hackathon, have the community feeling in the first place, because everyone will be having their own stuff, and make a great hack, right? You should participate in a team, but if you are participating as an individual, it's totally fine. If you do not have a team, let us know. We'll help you find someone who is also looking for a team, so we'll help you match up with anyone as well. Okay, any other questions?
Yes, this is the voice of JP. I have a very important question for you.
Okay. Okay, so I guess JP internally is asking me a question as well, but I'll talk about that a bit later on. So Is the registration still in process for the hackathon? Is it? Okay, so you can register right now and you can check in as well right now. Just go on to this particular link, as I said before, hackp.ac/hackapac, and you'll be easily going over there.
The
Right.
question, yes, was which of you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee or tea? That's a difficult question. Actually, I prefer coffee in the morning and maybe tea in the afternoon or evening. Well, I am not a beverage person, to be honest. But yeah, this is something like that. Okay.
Fair enough. Thank you for answering that very difficult question.
It is actually difficult for me because okay, I'm not a specific person of what if I like something like coffee or tea. Okay. So attending the first overnight time difference Indian hackathon. Yes, we are really glad. So for me, actually, the overnight hackathons are easier. I'm not the morning person, but a lot of people over here in India are morning people, and it's very easy for them to have like the Indian time hackathon, like the Hack APAC. And if you just love it, let us know. Let us know in the Discord. Let us know in the comment section, and we'll have a lot more of these hackathons if you want to, right? We are all in for this. If you want to have fun, we'll be happy to have more of these. Okay, any other question? JP, do you have any question for me?
Do I have any questions?
Mhm.
What is your preferred type of coffee? Do you like acidic coffee? Do you like strong coffee? Do you add a lot of milk to it? What's your preference?
I don't like black coffee, to be honest. Like I remember last year when I was in Singapore with Ryan and John and Joe, all of our people different in MLH. They were all having black coffee, and I was like, how can you even drink this thing? I cannot even stand by this thing. But I love cold brew. I have started cold brew recently, and I use cold brew and I put a lot of milk into it. I am a typical Indian, to be honest. I put milk in almost everything, and I make it a bit sweeter as well. I have a sweet tooth, so that is basically my coffee. It would be very bad for most of the folks, to be honest. Like they are most into coffee without anything, but I am a bit different, to be honest, over here.
Heck
Okay.
yeah! All right, I think that's my last question. Yeah, so you've I think we've closed up shop for the day.
Okay, perfect. That sounds great. So, if you have any other questions, just feel free to go to the Discord. Just ask us anything you want to ask. We are here. We'll be having taking up all the questions. If you want to get a ticket for yourself to answer a question, you can do that. If you want to ask any question, make sure you ask in hashtag Ask MLH. That's the channel over there. And anything regarding to this whole hackathon as well, we have different channels. You can easily ask over there. Anything, just feel free to ask us. Okay. Bye, everyone. Have a great time hacking.
Goodbye, everybody.